To open a Robinhood Roth IRA, start by understanding what a Roth IRA is. A Roth individual retirement account is a type of retirement savings account that allows you to contribute after-tax dollars, which can then grow tax-free and be withdrawn tax-free in retirement. First, ensure you are eligible to contribute to a Roth IRA. The eligibility is based on your income and filing status, so check the current income limits to see if you qualify. Next, download the Robinhood app or access the website. If you already have a Robinhood account, you can log in and skip to the next step. If not, create a new account by providing some basic information, including your name, address, and social security number. Once logged in, navigate to the Retirement Account section and select Roth IRA. You will need to provide additional information, including your employment status and income, to determine your eligibility. After determining your eligibility, fund your Roth IRA. The annual contribution limit applies, so make sure you do not exceed this limit. You can set up a one-time contribution or schedule recurring contributions from your bank account. When funding your account, consider setting up automatic transfers to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. You can choose to invest your contributions in a variety of assets, including stocks, ETFs, and options. It is essential to understand the rules and regulations surrounding Roth IRAs. For example, you can withdraw contributions at any time tax-free and penalty-free. But withdrawing earnings before age 59.5 or within 5 years of opening the account may result in taxes and penalties. Finally, monitor and adjust your portfolio as needed. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to ensure your investments align with your retirement goals and risk tolerance. By following these steps, you can successfully open a Robinhood Roth IRA and start building a secure retirement.